Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to factory reset on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, scroll down and click on reset. After click on reset, scroll down to and factory data reset is here. Click on factory data reset. Scroll down to end. If you want to reset factory, so click on reset. After click on reset, enter your phone pin and again and click on delete all. After click on delete all, you will see your factory reset is done. So that's how you can factory reset on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.